Yo. Had to make it do what it do. All right, I found a new. I was gonna order it offline. Too much. Not too much money, just because you never know when you're gonna get it and all that. So this is the fuse I just installed underneath the spot. It always goes there. I got that in there. As you can see, just try to keep up with stuff. Right there in that 10 spot, right? And then I'm gonna go over here. I don't really need much light. However, see them, this cabin in there, brand new cabin. Purpose of this, keep it short and sweet. Air, circulation, you need it to breathe, okay? You also need to keep yourself away from toxic air, meaning toxic people. Regardless, sad to say, not to say you can stay away forever. However, you must do what is necessary to protect yourself so that you will not become toxic in itself. You know what I'm saying? Because that's just how it goes. People, we're human nature. We sometimes we can absorb things like a sponge. You know what I'm saying? So as you migrate in the world, that sounds like rain. That's rain. Look at that. People always trying to rain on your parade, huh? Anyway, as you migrate in the world, right? Make sure you continue to prosper and protect your energy, because people will do whatever they can to fulfill their own needs and their own desires. And you would just be one of the lonely, devastated people. So whatever you do in life, protect your energy. It's your boy, League, Love, Laugh, Learn, Earn Everything, Knowledge, Building Streets, Illustrations, paint pictures with words. You don't need a cabin filter or a fuse. Don't let nobody blow your fuse, okay? Because it can lead you to massive health problems.